If you've accidentally deleted messages on AliExpress and need to recover them, follow these steps to try and retrieve your information. Step 1. Check the AliExpress app. Open the AliExpress app on your device. Sometimes, deleted messages may still be visible in the app's chat history or notifications. Step 2. Log into your account. Ensure you are logged into your AliExpress account on the website or app. This is crucial as your message history is tied to your account. Step 3. Access Message Center. Navigate to the message center within your account. Look for any archived or hidden messages that might not be immediately visible in your main chat list. Step 4. Contact customer service. If you cannot find the messages, reach out to AliExpress customer service. Provide them with details about the messages you need to recover, as they may have access to chat logs. Step 5. Regular backups. To prevent future loss, consider regularly backing up important messages or taking screenshots of crucial conversations. This can help you keep a record for future reference. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages can be challenging, following these steps may help you retrieve important information or prevent future losses.